How to create a team in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Here, make sure that you are signed in order to create a new team. Now, once you are signed in, tap on the squad selection option you see there on top dashboard, and here in this particular interface you will be able to make your team. So go ahead and firstly create a name for your team and then go ahead and choose your favorite club. Now, once you have chosen your favorite club, tap on the I accept the terms and conditions checkbox you see there in order to continue. Finally, tap on the continue button, and with this, you will be required to see if you want help building your team. So if yes, then tap on yes, and if not, then simply tap on no. Now, tap on the pick team option you see there, and with this, the player selection and squad selection process will begin. So go ahead and start selecting your players and then go ahead and start selecting your squad. Here, as you can see your bank balance, go ahead and choose your players depending on your bank balance and make sure that you do not exceed your bank balance. So go ahead and start choosing players for your squad. And just in case if you don't want to select your team manually, you can also tap on the auto pick option you see there in order to auto pick your team. Once done, tap on the enter squad option you see there and wait for the process to complete. Now with this, you can then go ahead and generate your custom team badge. So if you want, you can tap on the create my badge option. If not, then you can also simply tap on the close option and save it for later. And just like that, as you can see, my squad is all ready. So this was about how you can create a team in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.